back to Glory Homemaker. Thank you for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you how I make popcorn at home, the best popcorn we've ever eaten, with only 3 ingredients. This is holiday. The children will be asking you for lots of fun things. I have a recipe where I made puff and buns at home. You can check that out. Then this popcorn is the best, so let's get popping. In a dry pot, I add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So I add in a cup of popcorn corn. Every corn will not pop. When you're making popcorn, you have to ask for the corn for popcorn. Then I mix it in properly, just like this. So now I cover the lid, put on the heat on low heat. I'm using the lowest heat for my gas cooker. So this is on low heat. We'll now have to wait to hear it popping. You can see it popping. It's popping all nice and good. This started popping about 2 minutes from when I put it on heat, because this is a heavy pot. You can't open this pot now because it will pop all over your gas cooker. You just allow the sound of the poppy, poppy, poppy. It will take about 2 minutes. This is 2 minutes from when it started popping. So now I'll put out the heat, because this is a heavy pot and it retains heat to help the others to pop nicely without burning the popcorn. Wow, this popcorn is well popped. You can see that some are still popping. So what I do, I quickly add in sugar. You can add in sugar to as much as you want or as less as you want. To use a pot that is heavy, that retains heat, so that you can add in your sugar and it will not burn it together. Remember that I've put up the heat, but the heat from the pot is what I'm using to turn in this sugar nicely, so that it doesn't gum together. Turn it nicely. There is still heat from the pot, and the heat will melt in the sugar. Just take a look at our popcorn. Wow, your children will love you. They won't be bored with you. They will give you all those kisses. Thank you, mommy, kisses. Thank you, mommy. I love you, mommy. Make yummy, exciting, delicious things for them, and they will thank you for it. You can see that the sugar is melting into the popcorn. It's melting in because my pot still retained some heat. It's all nice, and it tastes so good too. So next we'll have to pour out your popcorn in another plate so that it doesn't keep burning. Look at how beautiful that is. Our popcorn is ready. It took me about 5 minutes to get this popcorn. You can sit and watch your favorite movies with your own popcorn. Please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. You will not be charged a dime. Also, like and share this video. Leave me a comment. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video.